Hello and welcome. It has been an interesting year academically, and the class of 2020 will go down in history as the one that faced the COVID-19 pandemic challenge and head-on, but staggering into a world that is very different from what it was just months ago. And making the decision to choose the correct undergraduate course is even more crucial. So to help students, parents, teachers and recruiters in this decision, we now bring you India Today's annual Best Colleges Survey, where we rank India's top educational institute for the undergraduate courses so that you can choose the best springboard for your career. Let's first take you through how the rankings have been done. The procedure. Take a look. The 24th annual edition of India Today Group's Best Colleges Survey brings you the rankings across 14 different streams. From arts, science, commerce, medical, dental, engineering, architecture, law, to mass communication, hotel management, BBA, BCA, social work, and even fashion design. Ranked carefully against more than 112 performance indicators in each stream, India Today's survey provides the most comprehensive and balanced comparisons of colleges.
Every summer, India Today's Best Colleges issue is the most eagerly awaited edition because 5 million students are vying for 40,000 colleges in the country, apart from 700 universities. It's a tough choice to make. And this year it's even tougher because we are in a COVID era where the pandemic has thrown up unprecedented disruptions across the country, particularly in educational institutions. Judging these institutions based on the fact that we're expecting an online revolution to happen makes this survey even more relevant this time. We have looked across 14 major disciplines, including the traditional arts, science, and commerce, and a whole new range of that, to enable you to make a choice as to what is, in terms of academic excellence, the best and the most prestigious colleges to attend, and those that are showing tremendous promise. So this is an issue you need to pick up.
The process began in late 2019. Our research partners, MDRA, conducted an extensive review of each colleges in each stream. Top experts were consulted to frame the parameters for different streams. For fair comparison on year-on-year basis, weightage of parameters remained unchanged from last 2 years. Over 10,000 colleges were evaluated by senior faculty members, recruiters, and final year students across 27 cities on these key parameters.
For last 24 years, India Today Best Colleges Survey has remained the most authentic and credible information on colleges in India because of the robustness in its methodology. And every year we strive to improve the methodology, and this year has been no exception. The colleges are ranked based on two scores, perceptual and objective. The perceptual score is the feedback received from academicians, students, teachers, recruiters, and all stakeholders involved in college education. The objective score is based on hard facts, the data that we examined of every college. After that, there is a cumulative score based on objective and perceptual score. For the professional colleges, we give 60% weightage to objective score and 40% to perceptual score. And for 3 general courses, arts, science and stream, we give equal weightage, it's 50% each to both the scores. And that's how we end up getting the most credible and objective analysis of the colleges in India.
We followed exacting process for our surveys, and that's what makes our rankings most credible. Now let's get started. First, beginning with the top college in the field of arts. We have at number 5, Madras Christian College, Chennai. Founded in 1837, It is considered to be one of the most prestigious colleges in India. Coming up, at rank 4 is Delhi University's Lady Shri Ram College for women. Set in the lush green campus in South Delhi, LSR has top-notch infrastructure and faculty that has made their life's mission the education and awareness of young women. At number 3 is another college with a rich legacy, Miranda House in the Delhi University. Mirandians, as the pupils style themselves, are steeped in idealism and have a faculty committed to women empowerment. At number 2 sits the famous St. Stephen's College from Delhi University. One of the oldest and most prestigious colleges for arts in India, St. Stephen's has produced a bevy of distinguished alumni spread across politics, law, journalism, film and business. And leading the rankings for best colleges in arts, at number 1 is Delhi University's Hindu College. From a small educational institute founded in 1899, born as part of the nationalist impulse, Delhi's Hindu College is the premier institute for studies in humanities and arts. The college inculcates student-leader relations that evolves to that of mentor-mentee. With an aim to increase hands-on learning, workshops are conducted to develop academic rigor, providing opportunities for innovative interdisciplinary research projects. Hindu College also boasts of an illustrious list of alumni, from Hardeep Singh Puri, the Minister of Housing and Urban Development and Civil Aviation, to filmmaker Imtiaz Ali, from cricketer Gautam Gambhir to Member of Parliament Subramanian Swamy, and so many others. The college has shaped them for future. From arts to science streams, here are our top rankings, and setting a record, Delhi University's Hindu College tops the ranks for the best science college in the country. Take a look at the top 5. At number 5 is Chennai's Loyola College, one of India's premier institutes that offers science courses including physics, chemistry, botany, zoology and computer science. Ranking at number 4 is another college from Chennai, the Madras Christian College. Coming up at number 3 in science is Delhi's St. Stephen's College. At number 2, Delhi University's Miranda House makes a comeback. And at the number 1 position, Delhi's Hindu College bags the top rank for the best science college. And coming up next are the colleges offering commerce degree in undergraduate courses. Here's a look at the country's best. Making it to the top 5 in another stream, Chennai's Loyola College bags the 5th rank in best colleges for commerce. At number 4 is another prestigious institution from Delhi University, the Hansraj College. Apart from excellent faculty and infrastructure, the institute also features premier sporting facilities on the campus. Coming in at number 3 for the commerce stream is Delhi's Lady Shri Ram College for women. Ranking at number 2 is Delhi University's Hindu College. And bagging the numero uno position is the Shri Ram College of Commerce in Delhi University. A towering institution of learning that began as the commercial school in pre-independence Delhi in 1920, SRCC boasts of a massive alumni network across the country and the world. From country's finance minister to top bureaucrats, technocrats and film personalities, the college has a glorious list of achievers. What sets SRCC apart is its liberal and energetic atmosphere. The SRCC Conclave, arguably the biggest undergraduate management festival in India, has hosted the likes of Sundar Pichai and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. I'm now heading into a quick break before we head to exploring which colleges top the rankings for professional courses. Stay tuned. Welcome back. You're watching the most credible survey that will help you decide on an educational institution of great academic brilliance. And for the subject of engineering, these are the top 5 colleges here on India Today, and there's no surprise that all of them are the IITs. So at number 5, IIT Roorkee has found the spot. At number 4, it's the Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur. At rank 3 has been occupied by IIT Kharagpur. At number 2 is IIT Mumbai, and standing tall at the top of the pyramid of the IITs and for engineering is Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. In the field of medicine, these are the top 5 findings. At number 5 stands the Jawaharlal Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research in Puducherry. At number 4 is Delhi's Maulana Azad Medical College, a very reputed college. And ranking at number 3 is the Armed Forces Medical College in Pune. At number 2, however, is Vellore's Christian Medical College and Hospital, the CMC. But maintaining its numero uno position year after year, the top medical college in India is the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi. With just 104 seats available each year, one seat at the prestigious MBBS course redefines competition in competitive examinations. But it isn't just about the world class, but also about the teaching quality, medical infrastructure that AIIMS has been bringing along with it, of course, the value like no other. Now, which is the Bachelor's of Business Administration degree which could be perfect for you as a stepping stone for MBA? Take a look at the top 5 findings. We have Madras Christian College from Chennai at number 5. At number 4 is the Department of Management Studies, Christ University in Bengaluru. At number 3 is the Loyola College, Chennai. And coming up at the second rank with a great BBA course is SVKM's NMIMS Anil Surendra Modi School of Commerce in Mumbai. But it is about the top position for the BBA course, which stands at Delhi's Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies. And now we come to the top law schools across India. So at number 5, we have the Faculty of Law, the Banaras Hindu University in Varanasi. At rank 4 has been occupied by the Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia National Law University in Lucknow. Symbiosis Law School, Pune, stands at the 3rd on these ranks, while Gujarat National Law University, Gandhinagar, has taken the 2nd position. And the number 1 position for a law school in India goes to the undergraduate degrees of National Law School of India, University in Bengaluru. This This was just a preview of the top colleges of India. So for the complete survey with rankings of hundreds of other colleges, you have to pick up the latest edition of the India Today magazine on the nearest shelf. Goodbye. Happy learning to you. Thank you for watching.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.